Good morning, everybody. So we have a haul today. So yeah, I'm barely awake. There's a gnat. I killed it. Anyways, I'm having some coffee. I'm half awake, working on all the way awake. So let's get into this haul, and welcome to the channel if you're new. And if you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're somebody who's been around for a while, please like and comment. It helps in the algorithm and gets these videos out there, because that's the way the YouTubes work. And yeah, so I've been stacking wood. I had to wait 2 days for that cabbage to dehydrate, and then I got a cord of wood, and in between rain I've been stacking it, and I think I'm going to let it dry out today because it's been raining for 2 days, so I don't think I want to play with the wood today. So if you guys can get, if you have a fireplace or a wood burning stove, please get some firewood for winter. I don't know what winter's going to bring, but I'm looking at what's happening in Europe, and I think it would be a good idea to have any alternate way of heating that you can get, be it a buddy heater, an electric heater, and a solar generator, or a gas generator, or whatever you have. Get on, I don't use Facebook, but I got on there to look at Facebook Market, and that's where I found my wood. And you can either find a good deal, you can even find some free wood. But it's getting really expensive. As I was scrolling through, people were charging like $300 for a rick. I don't even know if it was a whole rick. It could have been half a rick. So get out there, get it now while it's still affordable, per se. And do what you can. There are 20 million people in the United States right now looking at losing their utilities, and I will put the story to that below. Anytime I mention something like that that's going on, I will post a link down below so you can read the article on that. So yeah, prices have gotten so high, and they're going to go higher, they say, in winter. So please do what you can to stay warm if you're in a cold area. I don't want to see anybody go through any of what's happening. So anyways, I got wood, so I guess that's part of my haul. You just can't see it. And I'm sure you've heard about the potato shortage. So I'm going to get this bag out of the way. We'll start out with the Sam size bag of potatoes. So I got 15 pounds of jumbo Idaho potatoes, and we'll be canning these in another way. I've done, if you're interested in canning, I've done French fries, veg-all, and we'll be doing a couple other types of potatoes that you can do various things with. I got some red onions. There's also an onion shortage. I told my husband they should just say there's a food crisis instead of announcing every single shortage. I also got a 10-pound bag over here of, what are these? Yellow onions? Yeah, yellow onions from Sam's. And then I got 3 heads of garlic. I got 2 ketchups. I got this one and a sugar-free for my husband. I got 3 bottles of Sweet Baby Ray's, for your canned meats and such. You can do some pretty good barbecue. I do have videos on canning brisket, smoked brisket, and smoked pork. But if you have your canned beef, chicken, pork, add some barbecue sauce and you can make some nice meals with that. I got the honey barbecue sauce, the sweet and spicy, and the hickory and brown sugar. My dogs want to know what I'm doing. I got a big bottle of Dawn liquid. I'm hearing a lot of people saying that it doesn't work as well as it used to. So I think what I'll do is I have my stash from before is when they're running down. I have one running down now. I'll just add this to the bottles, and maybe the good stuff mixed with this will make it mo better. I got the Alka-Seltzer sinus allergy and cough. And if you have allergies, you might want to make sure you have allergy medication. In one of my videos, I had posted links in the bottom for the Augustin Farm sales. So I got a can of peanut butter powder, a can of spinach flakes, and I had some spinach left in my refrigerator that I knew we wouldn't use from when we had the spinach salads. So I went ahead and put that on a tray when I was doing the cabbage and dehydrated that. So I've started my own jar of spinach. I got the Orange Delight drink mix. That's usually hard to get and expensive, and they had it on sale, so I got it. I got 2 jars of this cheese dip, and I don't know if it's just me, but it seems smaller, but I used this in 2 recipes and it was pretty good. It's just a basic cheddar cheese, like Cheese Whiz type cheese. It's not spicy or anything. It's like the stuff you'd get at the ball game or whatever for your nachos. I got a package of the Chata Chilorio de Pollo shredded seasoned chicken meat. So this is shelf stable. So good for tostadas, tacos, enchiladas, whatever. I got a 4-pound container of red lentils. And I think I paid $6 for that. I got a gallon of apple cider vinegar because I've used up a lot of my apple cider vinegar making pickles, so I wanted to replace that. I got 3 boxes of the Takis flavored taco shells. These don't come, these are not the meal kits, so they don't have the seasoning and the sauce. But those are really good if you've not tried them, a little kick to your tacos. I got a can of the roast beef hash. This was on sale at Walmart. Sales now. It's still expensive to me, but I think it was $2.68. I got 2 cans of the Hormel chili with no beans. I got 1 jar of the shelf-stable shredded Parmesan cheese. My husband likes his Parmesan. I got 1 package of sterile butterfly closures. These are good to put in your first aid kits to close up any cuts. I got this cheese spread. I've never had it. Queso picante, I think it says. Can't really read the writing very well. Orange on orange. But it's a cheese spread and it's shelf stable, and this is at Walmart and it was $2.68, so I thought I'd give it a try. I got over here a case of Hunt's organic diced tomatoes, or just plain diced tomatoes. And then I got the Colavita 16 pack of crushed tomatoes. I got these on Amazon, and I think that's it for our little haul. It seemed much bigger, but I'm very tired this morning for some reason. I feel kind of out of it. So anyways, that's our haul. check your list. I think they have lists out there on the internet of all the shortages if you find things that you eat on a regular. I know we use onion in everything. So I got the onion. You can dehydrate it, cut it in any shape you like. Dehydrate it or freeze it. I think I'm going to freeze some because I prefer like some things I want the fresh onion in. And you can dehydrate it. I have a lot of dehydrated onion. And you want to dehydrate your onion and garlic outside, just an FYI. If you've never done it, do it outside or in the garage because it will make your whole house smell like onion. And my husband didn't like that at all, so do it outside on a non-humid day. It's so humid here right now that dehydrating is out of the question. So, anyways, I'm going to finish my coffee, try and wake up, take a shower, and figure out what I'm going to get done today and get all of this put away. So, if any of you are new preppers and you want to know where to start or have questions about storing food or packaging it, I do have videos on vacuum sealing or Mylar. But if you want more information, I'm going to be doing a video on storing chocolate for relatively long term. So anyways, if you have any questions, let me know down below. Share the deals that you're finding, the shortages you know about, any ideas that you have, and I will see you all soon. You stay safe, you stay healthy.